Have you ever lost your debit card and suddenly felt completely stuck, like zero access to your cash? Well, not anymore. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're taking the pure stress of a missing, stolen, or damaged Wells Fargo debit card and turning it into a super simple, highly actionable plan. We've combed through all the official protocols to bring you exactly what you need to know.
Seriously, we've all had that terrifying moment of panic, right? Frantically checking our pockets, dumping out our bags, searching the car. It feels like your financial life has just hit a brick wall. But take a deep breath, because you aren't completely cut off from your money.
Today, consider us your personal guide. We're going to walk you through the exact step-by-step protocols for getting a replacement card quickly, all while keeping your account completely secure. Let's show you just how simple it is to order a replacement with Wells Fargo today.
Here's our roadmap for today. 1. Immediate actions and preparation. 2. Methods to order replacements. 3. Getting digital wallet access. 4. Timelines and potential issues. 5. Post-arrival activation steps. And finally, 6. Security and best practices.
Okay, let's jump right into Section 1, Immediate Actions and Preparation.
Before doing anything else, if you think you just misplaced the card around the house, grab your phone. Use the Turn Card On or Off feature in the Wells Fargo mobile app or online portal. It instantly blocks new transactions. If you find it in the couch cushions an hour later, boom, you just toggle it back on. Next, you got to figure out your exact scenario. Is the card physically damaged or is it genuinely lost or stolen? Finally, grab your account information and, if you're heading to a branch, a government-issued ID.
Now, this is a really critical difference to understand. If your card is just worn out or damaged, requesting a replacement means you get to keep your exact same card number and PIN. You get a new expiration date and CVV, but here's the best part. Your old card actually continues to work until the new one is activated. On the flip side, if you report it lost or stolen, that old card is immediately and permanently blocked, and you'll be issued a completely new card number to lock down your security.
Moving right along to Section 2, the different methods to actually order those replacements.
Wells Fargo gives you plenty of options here. Digital self-service is for sure the most efficient. You can log into the Wells Fargo online banking portal, specifically at wellsfargo.com/replacemycard, or just pop open the mobile app and check under your card settings. If you're more of a face-to-face person, you can visit a local Wells Fargo branch. Just, remember to bring that photo ID. And of course, you can always just pick up the phone and call customer service.
Speaking of phones, if you prefer to talk to a real human, the number you need for personal debit cards is 1-800-869-3557. Got a business account? You'll want to dial 1-800-225-5935. The best part? These lines are open 24/7, so you can get this sorted out the exact second you realize your card is MIA.
All right, Section 3, Getting Digital Wallet Access. This is a real game changer.
Listen, you do not have to wait for the physical mail to arrive to keep living your life. If your debit card was already added to a supported digital wallet, like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, Wells Fargo actually updates it automatically as part of the replacement process. That means you can keep tapping to pay at the grocery store and even use cardless Wells Fargo ATMs right away using just your phone, while the physical card is still making its way to you.
Let's look at Section 4, Timelines and Potential Issues. Basically, what to expect next.
So Wells Fargo's standard shipping means your replacement will arrive in 5 to 7 calendar days. Notice I said calendar days, not business days. That is a huge relief because it gives you a much more predictable delivery window that includes weekends. Oh, and a quick side note, if your old card was customized with a specific photo using their card design studio, your new one is going to automatically arrive with that exact same image.
But wait, what if you're halfway across the globe when disaster strikes? If you're dealing with a missing card while traveling outside the U.S., you don't have to wait until your vacation is over. You can call Wells Fargo Collect at 1-925-825-7600 for personal accounts, and they can actually work with you to ship the replacement card directly to your travel destination. How cool is that?
Now for Section 5, Post-Arrival Activation Steps. The final sprint.
Fast forward a few days, that envelope is in your hands and you need to knock out a few quick steps on day 1. First, activate it immediately. You can scan a code with your phone, do it online, call the number on the sticker, or just use it with your PIN at a Wells Fargo ATM. Second, you gotta aggressively update any auto-pay subscriptions like your gym or Netflix with your new expiration date or new card number. Third, if you have your old damaged card or if you actually ended up finding your lost one, securely shred it, literally cut right through that EMV chip. And from day 2 onward, just keep a close eye on your account statement for any unauthorized charges.
Wrapping up with Section 6, security, and best practices to protect your account long-term.
This quote right here, straight from Wells Fargo, is the ultimate stress reliever. Their zero liability protection guarantees that as long as you report unauthorized transactions promptly, you won't be held legally responsible for fraudulent charges on a stolen card. It's a massive built-in safety net, but remember, the key word there is promptly. The faster you report a loss, the better off you are.
Just a quick heads up before we finish. Keep in mind that this explainer is strictly for educational purposes. Banking policies can and totally do change, so always verify your specific account conditions, potential replacement fees, or policy updates directly with Wells Fargo, just to be 100% sure.
By understanding these tools, from the instant card-off toggle to those automatic digital wallet updates, you are entirely in control. It literally transforms a potential disaster into a minor 5-minute administrative task. So I leave you with this thought. If your wallet went missing tomorrow, how quickly could you lock down your financial life from the palm of your hand? Are you fully prepared for the unexpected?